I'm Saddam. Welcome to the donning area of Zipstream Area Adventure. Now I'm gonna introduce to you guys our safety features of our zipline. From the helmet to the seat harness and to the Superman. We're using the top of the line 𝐾𝐬𝐬𝐿 made from France. Now we can assure you that your ride will safe with us.
Way back in 2016, we came up with this idea of putting this zip line in combination with canyoneering here in Bajan, Cebu. The basic canyoneering is you walk about 45 minutes from the registration area to the jump off area of the canyoneering. So now we built this zip line, and it will only take you 1 minute to go and zip to the starting jump off point of the canyoneering. So in that way, it would minimize the walk from the registration area to the jump off area, and it would enhance your experience in canyoneering. To all my fellow travelers who are planning to visit Cebu soon, we are Zipstream Aerial Adventure, which is a new added attraction with the famous Kawasan Canyoneering here in Bajan, Cebu. It is the new longest dual cable zip line in Asia. It is 868 meters, and it will enhance your canyoneering experience. What can you tell our fellow travelers? Why walk?